This is a good RC car for... I just saw like a sleeper Volvo with like a Porsche drivetrain. It was going like 100 down the road, too. There's no way it was registered DMV and all that, but it was like real fast and stuff. But you know, just he's taking it out on Sunday night. That was a Jaguar racing by there. But I just saw like a sleeper Volvo with like a Porsche drivetrain. It was not street legal, but it was whatever. It was fast. But this thing's pretty good for, see, so I can't even get it floored, you know what I mean? It's a short angle camera. But see, that's pretty good. Like, weird Volvo. It's like, see, that one's going fast too, that Challenger there, but there was like a Volvo with like a sleeper Porsche drivetrain.